Hey, welcome to our review of Pepperstone. You might have come across their name in your search for a reliable broker. You're wondering if they are a good broker to trade with. Join us as we dive into everything Pepperstone has to offer, detailing both its pros and cons. Now, so far this year, we've already tested 80 brokers, so we've got a pretty good benchmark for comparison. We will break down the essential details about trading with Pepperstone. Can you trust Pepperstone with your money? Do they offer low spreads and fees? Is there a diverse selection of tradable instruments? We'll take you on a walkthrough of Pepperstone's trading platforms. And lastly, we'll give you our honest take on trading with Pepperstone. So stick with us for the full rundown. And hey, if you're eager to jump to a specific section, just use the chapters feature below. Let's start. Pepperstone was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in Melbourne, with offices in London, Cyprus, Dusseldorf, Dubai, and Kenya. They operate under 7 global entities, with 4 regulated by top-tier financial authorities. With Pepperstone, you can trade over 1,200 markets via a selection of platforms, including MT4, MT5, TradingView, cTrader, and their proprietary platform. There is an extensive range of educational materials and research tools too. Stay tuned for some valuable insights about this broker. Interested in exploring Pepperstone further? For the best offer in your region, click the link in the description below or in the top right corner at any time during this video. All right, let's kick off with trust. Is Pepperstone safe, secure, and reliable? Let's take a closer look. Pepperstone boasts licenses from 7 global regulators, including the UK's FCA, Germany's BaFin, Cyprus's CySEC, Australia's ASIC, Dubai's DFSA, and the Bahamas' SCB, and Kenya's CMA. So, what's in it for you? Firstly, every one of their global entities keeps your funds in segregated accounts separate from company funds. This ensures your money is accessible whenever you need it. Plus, they've got your back with negative balance protection, ensuring your account balance never goes below 0 during sudden market swings. Now, of the 7 global regulators, 3 also offer a compensation scheme if the broker fails. This can be up to £85,000 in the UK and €20,000 in Europe. Having been in the game since 2010, Pepperstone is seen as both stable and experienced in safely managing your funds. Now, after weighing all of this, we've handed Pepperstone a strong trust score of 4.6 out of 5. Now let's dive into something that can significantly affect your profits: trading fees. We ran live tests using the Pepperstone standard CFD account, which features spreads and swap rollover fees, but no commissions. To get a complete picture, we ran these tests at the peak trading times during the London and New York trading sessions. So, what have we discovered? Pepperstone's trading fees with the standard account we tested are varied. The spreads were best on commodity markets, with gold and oil significantly beating the industry average. Spreads on Forex pairs present a varied picture. Major pairs like Euro-USD outperformed the average, whereas minor pairs aligned closely with typical market rates. Stock indices were mixed too. European indices spreads were much lower than the industry norm, while US indices were just in line. And a nice perk, there's no inactivity fee. As Pepperstone's fees are mixed depending on the market you are trading, they received a score of 4.3 out of 5 in this category. Next up, we checked brokers' trading platforms. Finding the right platform that matches your style and expertise can seriously boost your trading experience. Pepperstone offers an impressive selection of trading platforms and apps suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. First off, the broker has recently launched its browser-based proprietary platform, which is well designed and highly customizable. However, at the moment, it's only available for clients of the Australian entity. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are the most well-known Forex platforms in the industry. They generally cater to advanced traders interested in automated trading. On top of the basic functionalities, Pepperstone also offers an additional suite of 28 trading tools for MetaTrader. The cTrader platform also caters to advanced traders. It has been designed for fast, short-term traders such as scalpers and algorithmic traders. The broker also provides access to the popular social trading platform TradingView, which is an excellent option for beginners. It's user-friendly, allowing allowing you to easily view and share trading ideas. Plus, Pepperstone offers insightful third-party research tools such as AutoChartist and has recently introduced its proprietary mobile app for trading on the go. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary WebTrader and TradingView platforms, as well as the TradingView mobile app. Now first, take a look at Pepperstone's proprietary WebTrader platform. We'll start out by breaking down some key components of the interface. And here we've got position tracking, watch lists, charts, and account statistics. The platform is highly customizable and you can modify the layout to suit your preference. For example, I'll add another chart here and another watch list. You can also set up multiple workspaces. For example, I've set up individual workspaces for Forex, commodities, and crypto. All right, now let's expand a chart so that we can look at the available features. Charting within the platform provides a great range of over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. We'll add an indicator here, put in some Bollinger Bands, and we can see that trading from the chart and one-click trading are also available, allowing you to get in and out of the market fast. All right, now finally, let's take a look at the order ticket. We can see that market limit and stop loss orders are all available. And I like that you can add protection orders at the same time as your initial order. Next, let's take a look at the web-based TradingView platform. Now this is a highly innovative platform, and in the right navigation here, we have a host of features to work with. From here, you can view custom watch lists, set price alerts, and view hot lists like top volume gainers and top percentage change gainers. TradingView stands out from the crowd with its unique social features, and from here you can also access a live chat room and get trade ideas from the idea stream. Now let's expand the charts to take a closer look. TradingView's industry-led charts feature over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. And one-click trading and trading from the chart enable you to get in and out of the market fast. Now, as a systematic trader, I appreciate the bar replay tool, which allows you to simulate past price movements for strategy testing. Looking at the TradingView order ticket, we have the full range of standard order types, and the platform also offers great flexibility in how to enter your take profit and stop loss orders. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see your open positions, pending orders, history of trades, and an account summary with your total profit and loss. Lastly, let's explore the TradingView mobile app. From the watch list, if you tap an instrument, you can pull up its chart, and from here, you can also view news, discussions, and trade ideas related to that instrument. Under the Charts tab, we've got a great full-size charts featuring over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. Trading from the chart and one-click trading are also available, allowing you to enter and exit the market fast while you're on the move. If you tap the Pepperstone logo, you can view your account details. Under the Explore tab, you can stay on top of the market news and analysis. The Ideas tab is a great source of inspiration with popular trading ideas from the TradingView community. Finally, the Economic Calendar allows you to track major market moving events. Our score for Pepperstone's platforms and tools is a solid 4.4 out of 5. And finally, to catch the best trading opportunities, you need a broker with a wide variety of markets to trade on. Pepperstone has you covered in this department with an impressive selection of more than 1,200 CFD instruments, which is better than the industry standard. This includes 90 Forex pairs, 31 multi-currency commodities, 26 indices, and over 900 global stock CFDs. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at Pepperstone with an excellent score of 5 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, you'll discover if this broker is the right pick for your trading journey. But first, let's share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our broker analyst crew is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing Forex brokers for 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. So, what does Pepperstone bring to the table? First off, the broker is well regulated. They take this very seriously with negative balance protection and separate accounts for client funds across all their global branches. Pepperstone has got you covered with a massive selection of over 1,200 markets, including Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Plus, with 4 world-class trading platforms, MT4, MT5, TradingView, and cTrader, it's easy to trade no matter what your experience level is. However, there are a couple of small drawbacks. Not all of Pepperstone's entities are a part of a compensation scheme. Also, the spreads can vary. While you'll find competitive spreads in commodities, generally they tend to be average compared to the industry. So, who's going to get the most out of Pepperstone? Pepperstone offers solutions for all levels of traders. Beginners will appreciate the lack of an inactivity fee, the social trading insights from TradingView, and a wealth of educational resources, including video tutorials, courses, and live webinars. For advanced traders, Pepperstone steps up with an impressive array of advanced trading platforms, along with the Razor account, which features lower spreads and competitive commissions. The broker also provides a suite of extra tools, such as the Smart Trader Tools package for MetaTrader. Besides, the MT4, MT5, and cTrader platforms perfectly cater to the needs of algorithmic traders. In our evaluation, we awarded the broker an overall score of 4.6 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. And there you have it, our take on Pepperstone. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about Pepperstone, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.